The 2026 Mazda CX-30 continues to build on its reputation as a stylish, compact crossover SUV that delivers an exceptional balance of performance, comfort, and practicality. Mazda has refined the CX-30 for 2026, incorporating updated technology, a more dynamic design, and improved efficiency to meet the demands of modern drivers. Mazda's signature Kodo, soul of motion design language is evident in the 2026 CX-30, which features flowing curves, sharp lines, and an athletic stance. The refreshed front fascia includes a bolder grille with a chrome or gloss black finish, depending on the trim, flanked by updated LED headlights that provide sharper illumination and a more aggressive look. At the rear, a reimagined taillight cluster integrates dynamic indicators, while a redesigned bumper improves aerodynamics. Mazda continues to prioritize driving dynamics with the 2026 CX-30, offering a lineup of refined powertrains that cater to various needs. The base model is equipped with a 2.5-liter Skyactiv G naturally aspirated engine, delivering 191 horsepower and 186 lb-ft of torque. For those seeking more performance, the 2.5-liter Skyactiv G turbocharged engine provides an exhilarating 250 horsepower and 320 lb-ft of torque when using premium fuel. Both engines are paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission, which has been retuned for quicker shifts and improved fuel efficiency. The 2026 CX-30 is available with front-wheel drive as standard, while Mazda's iActive all-wheel drive (AWD) system is optional on most trims and standard on higher trims. This intelligent AWD system continuously monitors road conditions, distributing power where it's needed most to enhance traction and stability. The 2026 Mazda CX-30 offers competitive pricing, starting at approximately $26,000 for the base trim and reaching up to $37,000 for the premium plus trim with all-wheel drive and additional options. The hybrid models start at around $29,000, making them an attractive choice for eco-conscious buyers. The 2026 Mazda CX-30 is a standout in the compact SUV segment, offering a harmonious blend of style, performance, comfort, and advanced technology. Whether you're seeking an efficient daily driver, a versatile family car, or a crossover with engaging dynamics, the CX-30 caters to a wide range of needs. With its commitment to quality and innovation, the 2026 CX-30 solidifies Mazda's position as a leader in crafting vehicles that inspire and delight.